Y chromosome is shrinking. Is it true? Since last few days, a news has gone viral. Y chromosome is shrinking, and in due course of evolution, we cannot find any human male in this earth. People are making videos on that. Print media are making news out of that. But what is the truth? First of all, let me assure you about one thing. If this can even happen, it will take about 4 million years. So right now, you don't need to panic. Now the second thing, Y chromosome is shrinking. That is true, and that is known to scientists since about 10 to 12 years ago. So this news actually is not a new news. So I'll discuss everything in this video, but before going to the details of all these things, let me tell you a very simple thing. How sex is determined in human beings. All the human cells contain 46 chromosomes. Of those, 44 are called autosomes. That means those chromosomes will carry the genes which will not determine the sex characters. Those genes will determine all the other characters. 2 chromosomes are called sex chromosomes. In females, both these 2 chromosomes are X chromosomes, and it may carry 900 to 1000 genes. Some of these genes are responsible for female-like characters, and some are responsible for some other characters. Now the Y chromosome in males. In males, one is X chromosome and the other is Y chromosome. The Y chromosome contains a gene which is called SRY, or sex determining region Y, or simply TDF, or testis determining factor. This gene actually is responsible for all the male characters that can be found in human males. As I was telling a few minutes earlier, that there are 44 autosomes present in our body. Those chromosomes can be grouped as pairs. For example, chromosome pair 1, chromosome pair 2, chromosome pair 3, and likewise. So for 44 chromosomes, we can get 22 pairs of chromosomes. Each of those pairs can determine a particular variety of characters which can be seen in human beings. Now chromosome pair 17, that contains one gene which is called SOX9. This SOX9 gene can express a protein which will help to produce the ovaries inside human females. That particular SOX9 gene is also present in human males, but as in human males the Y chromosome contains the SRY gene or the TDF gene, the effect of TDF gene will suppress the effect of formation of ovaries in those males containing X and Y as their sex chromosomes. So in males, SOX9 gene is present, but as TDF is present, they will not grow ovaries in them. Instead, they will grow testes in them. And as we know that testes and the hormones produced by testes can determine various male characters in human beings. So presence of TDF in Y chromosome will eventually make a human embryo as a human male. Now about the viral news. Y chromosome is shrinking and human males will be lost from this world. Is it true? No. Initially, human Y chromosome contained about 900 genes, just like the X chromosome. But in due course of evolution, it has been noticed that Y chromosome is being shrinked day by day. At present, there are about 55 genes present in total Y chromosome. It has been estimated that on average, in every 5 million years, one gene will be lost from Y chromosome. So it will take about 11 million years for the total disappearance of Y chromosome. Now of concern is the TDF gene is present near the end of the smaller arm of Y chromosome. So it is being estimated that within 4 million years that gene will be lost from Y chromosome. Therefore, the gene responsible for the maleness in human beings will be lost. So people are thinking that probably males will be extinct from this world. But yes, don't panic. There are some hopes, and that actually is the new news. And here also, I must say that the news is not that much new. The things I will discuss now was discovered in 2022. Only people are getting interested in that as because some print media have been found scientific news interesting. Recently, scientists have found that the European mole vole can show maleness even when Y chromosome is completely absent. That is the first example. And the second example is the spiny rat, which is found in Japan. In both these two rodents, Y chromosome is absent, but still there are females as well as males. The SOX9 gene is responsible for this, and I have already discussed the role of SOX9 for the maleness. So the genes for maleness is preserved in other chromosomes. So those rodents can produce both male and female even if they don't have Y chromosome. Now there is a hope for human beings also. As rodents are very much similar to human beings, if we can find something in rodents, we can expect that the same thing will also happen in human beings. Therefore, scientists are expecting that human Y chromosome may be lost, but human males may be produced even then. And that's why people are so much excited that yes, there is some hope. Therefore, don't panic, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. If you want to know how genes are deleted from the arms of chromosome, write me your question in the comments. And if you like my video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the like button. Till then, bye.